Welcome to Kevin's Corner. In this 4-minute episode, I'll be demonstrating how to clear the hard stop alert telling you that your single row itinerary needs a second row for it to be valid. So if you're ready, let's go. What I have here is an expense report that I tried to submit and received this error message that tells me this report contains at least one itinerary with a single itinerary row, and that an itinerary is not valid until it has at least 2 rows. So I'll show you what that means in just a moment here. Let me close this window first. When we're talking about itineraries on expense reports, that relates to travel allowances. So you can see I do have an option for travel allowance here. If I click the little drop down, it says Manage Travel Allowance. So what the error told me is that I only had one itinerary row, which is this single row right here, that shows me the date and time I left Phoenix, Arizona, and the date and time I arrived in New Orleans. But what I need is to put in the date and time of my return. That way, the system knows the total amount of days of my trip and can therefore calculate all of my daily allowances for my meals. So what I do is I click on the current itinerary row and then click Edit. I'm going to add a stop, the departure city and arrival city for my return. Those cities are already populated there in those fields. So then I choose the date that I returned from my trip using the little calendar icon. Go back to March 19th. What time did I depart? I'll say 4 p.m. My arrival date back home, also March 19th, and then state the time of day I arrived back home. Then I will save that. So now I have a second row. Now my itinerary is valid because I have at least 2 rows. Now before I click Done, I needed to calculate my daily allowances for my meals. So I'm going to click Next, and you can see that on this Expenses and Adjustments tab here, it has breakfast, lunch, and dinner and check boxes where I can state that if any of those meals were provided for me. And if so, that will reduce the amount I'm allowed for that day. You can see the totals over here. So let's say that my hotel room rate included breakfast with it. So I'm not paying for breakfast. So I'm going to say that the 3 days I was there, now I'm not putting it for the first day because I traveled that day and didn't arrive till the afternoon, but the next 3 days breakfast was provided for me. And let's say that one of the nights I was there with some coworkers and my manager took us out for a team dinner and my manager paid for it. So that meal was provided as well. And look at the differences now over here. Those amounts have been adjusted based on what I selected for meals provided. Now I click Update Expenses. My expense report now has my daily allowances for the days that I traveled. And now I can click Submit Report. Shows me my totals here. Click Submit Report again. And now it shows me that my report was submitted. Now, if I was doing this in real life, I might have some other expenses that I would have added to the report before submitting, but I just wanted to demonstrate that's how you clear that error that tells you that you only have one itinerary row, but you need 2 itinerary rows to make that itinerary valid so that you can then submit your report. That wraps up this episode. Be sure to check out the other videos in my series. To get answers to other SAP Concur related questions or find helpful resources, visit the SAP Concur community at community.concur.com. You can find me there under the username Kevin D. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Kevin's Corner.